This is a band that doesn't need any introduction at all. One of the hardest working bands in the country. They're fantastic. It's a heavy suit. Ladies and gentlemen, beautiful girls that I'm singing tonight, please put your hands together for Michelle. And you all know Michelle. The smooth tones on the Fender guitar, ladies and gentlemen, on the electric Telecaster. Please put your hands together for Tommy. On the drums. On the drums. Every girl loves a drummer. Mr. John Crenshaw. Good friend of mine playing bass now, ladies and gentlemen. We go back a little while, just a little while. Steve, on Fender bass. On the piano, ladies and gentlemen, tonight he's playing piano, and he's playing all the strings and the horns that you hear. He's doing it all himself. One guy, he does everything all by himself. Strings, horns, piano, organ, and he makes fantastic sandwiches. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Al. This guy over here, right here. We became friends the first time I ever met him, and it's been a pleasure to call you my friend. I think we're going to be friends for life. Mr. Tom Brown, ladies and gentlemen, singing backing harmonies and giving us Stars of Water. I'd like to just thank Richard back here, and all the guys here and the staff at the theater doing a fantastic job. Thank you, Richard, and the guys, all the boys right here. Thank you, guys. Fantastic job. Putting up with me running in about 20 times a day.